Example 5. We're going to evaluate the integral of x squared times the square root of 5 plus 2x cubed dx. So this problem looks pretty gross as well, but it's not too bad. So notice that 5 plus 2x cubed, if I take the derivative of that, I get 6x squared. Notice that we also have an x squared in the problem. So for this reason, we're going to let u equal 5 plus 2x cubed. So doing that, letting u equal 5 plus 2x cubed, we take the derivative with respect to x to both sides, and we're going to get du dx is equal to 6x squared. Now our goal is to get x squared dx on one side. So I'm going to multiply both sides by dx. And I get du is equal to 6x squared dx. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And I'm going to get 1/6 du is equal to x squared dx. So this is going to be our u sub. So we have the integral of x squared times the square root of 5 plus 2x cubed dx. You don't have to do this next step, but I'm going to rewrite it. 5 plus 2x cubed under the square root times x squared dx. This helps for me to make it clear that the u sub is x squared dx. So now this becomes the integral of the square root of u times 1/6 du. So this becomes 1/6 the integral of the square root of u du. I think it's also helpful to rewrite the square root as u to the 1/2. So now when you integrate, you're going to get 1/6 times u to the 3/2 divided by 3/2 plus c. So you get 1/6 times 2/3 u to the 3/2 plus c. I'm going to distribute that 1/6, and I'm going to get 1/9 u to the 3/2 plus c. Now the reason that I don't have to write 1/6 times c is that 1/6 times the constant is just a different constant. And then we're going to get 1/9. We plug our u back in for the x value that we substituted it out for. So you get 5 plus 2x cubed to the 3/2 plus c. So the way this worked is this u became all of this. So it's very important that you don't forget to switch back to x. If you don't remember to switch back to the x, you're going to get the answer wrong. So on your own right now, I want you to try to integrate the square root of tangent of x times secant squared x dx. So right now, pause the video and try that on your own. Alright, let's see if we got it right. So first, we're going to let u equal tangent of x. The reason I know to do this is because I know the derivative. When I take the derivative of both sides, the derivative of tangent of x is secant squared of x. So then I get du is equal to secant squared of x dx. And I've got this here, and I've got it here. So I'm good to go. So I get the integral of the square root of tangent of x times secant squared of x dx becomes the integral of the square root of u du. And this is going to become 2/3 u to the 3/2 plus c. So my final answer is 2/3 tangent of x to the 3/2 plus c. And that's all there is to working with u subs.